Welcome back, students. In this class we continue coordinate geometry chapter 7 exercise 7.4. In this class we continue the question number 7. So what is the question number 7? Let A 4 2, B 6 5 and C 1 4 be the vertices of the triangle ABC. So first part of the question is the median from A meets BC at D. Find the coordinates of the point D. So we'll see the diagram first. So this is the triangle and this is AD. So ABC is a triangle, AD is the median, and here so just mark this as E, F, then here P, Q and R. So this is R and this is 2 and this is 1. So what are the given? First the median from A meets BC at D. Find the coordinates of D. First we have to find the coordinates of the D. So what are the given? A is given as 4 2, B is given as 6 5 and C is given as 1 4. So we have to write here also 6 5 1 4. Now these are the vertices of triangle ABC, and AD is median of the triangle ABC. D is the midpoint of BC. Now coordinates, to find the coordinates of D. Coordinates of D, we have to use the formula x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So since this is D, it is on BC, D lies on the line BC. So we have to take the coordinates, so that is vertices B equal to 6 5 and C is equal to 1 4. 1 and 4. Now this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Now substitute the values here. 6 plus 1 by 2 and 5 plus 4 by 2. So now we'll get 7 by 2 and 9 by 2. So this is the first part of the question. So what are the coordinates of D? Is 7 by 2 and 9 by 2 is the answer. Now we move on to the second part of the question. So what is the second part of the question? Find the coordinates of the point. Again I will just write down the diagram roughly. So this is A, B, C, D, and this is E, F, here P, Q and R, this is 2 and this is 1. Then the vertices 4 2 6 5 and 1 4. So now we have to find the coordinates of the point P, that is this one, on AD, such that, so AP is given as, see, this one as 2 and PD as 1. This is given here, so the ratio is written here. Coordinates of point P on AD, this one, P on AD. Then ratio is given as PD is, AP is to PD 2 is to 1. So what are the data we have to take? Since P lies on AD, we have to take A equal to 4 2 and D we found out in the previous section of the formula, that is part 1, 7 by 2 and 9 by 2. And this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. The ratio given is 2 is to 1, that is m1 is to m2 will be 2 is to 1, that is AP is to PD. Now we have to use the section formula. Section formula equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1, m1 plus m2. So this one, this is, now we'll substitute the values. So coordinates of so 2 into 7 by 2 plus 1 into 4, 2 plus 1, then 2 into 9 by 2 plus 1 into 2 by 2 plus 1. Now this will be 2 2 cancels, 2 2 cancels, 7 plus 4 by 3 and 9 plus 2 by 3. Finally we'll get 7 plus 4 is 11 by 3 and 9 plus 2 is 11 by 3. So these are the coordinates of the point P lies on AD. Now we move on to the next question, that is the third part of the 7th question. So this is, let A, B, C, same thing, be the vertices of the triangle ABC. Find coordinates of Q and R on medians BF and BE and CF respectively, such that BQ is to QE is 2 is to 1 and CR is to RF is 2 is to 1. So we'll see, we'll take the same, once again I'll write here. So this is A, B, C, and here this is EF, E and F. This is, we finished P. Now Q and R we have to find out. These they are given 2 and this as 1. So what are the 4 2 6 5 and 1 4 vertices of the triangle? This BQ and Q, BQ is to QE is 2 is to 1, CR and RF is 2 is to 1. So we'll directly start the problem. First, the given data is for first we have to find out coordinates of E. Coordinates, for this coordinates of E, what are the values we have to, since E lies on AC, we'll take A is equal to 4 and 2, and C is equal to 1 and 4. This is x1 y1 x2 y2. Therefore, what is the formula? Formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Substitute this. Then x1 is 4 plus 1 by 2, then 2 plus 4 by 2 is equal to 5 by 2, and this one 2 ones are 2, 6, 3. So 5 by 2 and 3 we got. Now we have, since Q divides, Q is present here as Q divides BE. So this is here. Yeah, this one is here. So P is here, Q, yeah, Q divides, since E divides or lies, divides BE. BE in ratio they have given 2:1. So now we'll take the section formula. M1 is 2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2, then M1 y2 plus M2 y1, M1 plus M2. Now take this, since B we have to take, B is 6, 5, and E, we have to find out E. So I made a mistake. Q we have to take here. Q divides BE. See here, Q divides BE. So therefore coordinates of Q is, now E we got in the previous, that is E is equal to 5 by 2 and 3. This is x1 y1 x2 y2. So now substitute the values. 2 into, that is M1 is 2 and M2 is given as 1. So 2 into, so x2 is 5 by 2 in plus 1 into 6 by 2. Then 2 into 3 plus 1 into 4, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. So now simplify this, 2 cancels this. So finally we get 5 plus 6 by 3 and 6 plus 5 by 3 is equal to 11 by 3 and 11 by 3. So this is the coordinates of Q. So after this we move to the next part, that is, again we have to draw this diagram to make the problem easy for us. We need sheet I am writing. This is A, B, C, then E, F. Here this is P, this is Q, and this is R. So now we have to find out F is the midpoint. Now F is the midpoint of AB. So CF is the median. So CF is also the median of AB. Now F is midpoint of AB. F is the midpoint of AB. Then coordinates of F. Coordinates of F. F lies on AB means we have to take A as how much? A is 4, 2, B is 6, 5 and C as 1, 4. So A is 4, 2 and B is 6, 5. Now take down this x1, y1, x2, y2. So substitute in the formula, that is coordinates of x, x1, x2 divided by 2, y1, y2 divided by 2. After this, substitute the values, that is 6 plus or 4 plus 6 by 2, 2 plus 5 by 2. Now we get 5, that is 6 plus 4 is 12, 10, 2 ones are 2 5s are 5, we are getting 7 by 2. Now next part is or divides CF in the ratio, this is given in the ratio here, in the ratio 2:1. Now coordinates, we have to find out coordinates of R. So next part is coordinates of R. So to find this, we have the formula m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2. We have C and also F coordinates. Similarly, m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. Now take the values. C as C is equal to 1, 4 and F is we found out 5 and 7 by 2. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now ratio is given, m1 is 2 and m2 is equal to 1 is given. Substitute here. So coordinates of R or divide CF. So next is substitute, that is m1 is 2 into 5 plus 1 into 1. Then 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1, anything, okay. Then 2 into 7 by 2 plus 1 into 4 by 2 plus 1. Now simplify this, we will get 10 plus 1 by 3 and this is m1 means 1 plus 2, correct, and this is also 1 plus 2, it's okay, 2 plus 1, 1 plus 2. Next is 10 plus 1 by 3, then 7 plus 4 by 3, then add this 11 by 3 and 11 by 3. So this is the coordinates of the R which divides CF. This is the solution for the 7th subproblem 1, 2, 3. And if you have any doubt, comment me, subscribe my channel, share and like all the videos. Thank you.